G'day everyone, I'm at Tokyo Narita Airport. I'm just going to do a quick video, show you the food that is available before your flight. So before you go through security, you can go upstairs there to the shopping and dining district. So I'll just go up the escalators, I'll do a little walk around, check out the restaurants. So I'm at Terminal 2 and it looks very similar to Terminal 1. There's a similar choice of restaurants up here in Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. I've never been to Terminal 3, but I'm presuming it's pretty much the same. Alright, top of the escalators, and you'll see there are restaurants either way, left or right. There's also a whole bunch of camera stores and electronic stores. There's also some places to buy some souvenirs, so let's go check out the restaurants. Okay, there's a cafe and dining, all sorts of Japanese food, tonkatsu. There's unagi, broiled eel on rice. Some hamburgers, some noodle soups, some sandwiches and coffee and some cakes. Loads of shopping. And there's a big camera store, loads of electronics. And here's more restaurants. So here we go, sushi, traditional Japanese sushi. Okay, as you would expect, prices are fairly high. 1,000 yen for some sashimi, 600 yen for salmon sashimi, not so bad. The larger ones here, 2,300, or about 10 or 12 pieces of sushi. More sushi, all prepared, ready to eat. Okay, loads of Japanese sweets for sale. So Tokyo banana, very popular. Looks like a strawberry version. The strawberry cake from Ginza. There is some Royce Chocolates. Chocolate coated potato chips. And here's all your different flavoured Kit Kats. Different types of cakes. More Japanese snacks over here. Alright, there's a famous restaurant, Tsukiji, sushiko. I've been to one of these restaurants in Ginza, really good quality sushi. Alright, another restaurant doing Japanese cuisine. And one doing Soba buckwheat noodles. It's always good to see these models, see what the food looks like. Some more on display over here. ramen noodles and cutlet curry. Katsudon, katsu curry. And I'm going to head down the southern end of Terminal 2. There's some more restaurants down there, so you can see heaps of souvenir stores. Well, it's a bit of a hike, so I will fast forward and get down to the southern end. Okay, there's the escalators that I came up, so I'm now going to go to the right. It's quite busy. It's only about 10 to 4 on a Saturday afternoon. Right around the corner here is a Starbucks. Get yourself a coffee. Come on, curly head, out of the way. And there's a McDonald's here. And some more Japanese restaurants over here. So Kokai, it looks like it does gyoza and different noodle soups. Ramen and gyoza. Alright, Chinese restaurant, SHAHODEN. Dumplings, fried rice, spicy tofu, and across here is a place that does vegan ramen. And just next door is another ramen restaurant, Tokyo base. So this is your traditional pork-based tonkotsu ramen. I'm not sure if you can see that because of the light. There's a picture, it looks like a spicy ramen. 980 yen. Alright, more souvenir stores. And right at the end there is my favorite Japanese snack, takoyaki. And this is laid out exactly like Terminal 1. So you'll get the same stores and the same restaurants as you do in Terminal 1. I can only presume Terminal 3 is the same. So another shop selling all the Japanese sweets. Got your Royce Chocolates, and your Pockies and your Meijis, and all your different flavoured Kit Kats. Oh, it's a different rock melon, grape, they have Tokyo banana, they have strawberry, green tea, looks like some sort of cake flavour. Alright, let's go check out the takoyaki, and I think I'm going to grab some myself. It's always been a tradition of mine. Last meal in Japan at Narita Airport is always takoyaki. So that's it there with the red sign. So you can stand out the front, see them making the takoyaki, and then I'll order up some. Right, let's see how much. Alright, takoyaki 580. Different ones with cheese. Alright, 8 pieces for 580 sounds alright to me. Chiwa, can I get 6 pieces takoyaki?
Here or here?
Have here, please. Arigatou gozaimasu. Spicy, please.
追加しま
Hey,
した。
arigatou gozaimasu. Alright, I've got my 6 takoyaki. Alright, the trick with these, they will be steaming hot inside. Alright, scoffed down my 6 steaming hot takoyaki. So a few more restaurants. This looks like Italian pasta. Another cafe over here. Roast beef sandwich. And I think that is the end. So these are just the restaurants on before you go through immigration. So I'll go through immigration and I'll show you the restaurants on the other side. Oh, a few more stores here. Oh, just the one. Pokemon store. Alright, down through immigration I go. Well, I've been walking past all the duty-free stores. Now I'm on the way to the gate 85, and this is the first of some food places. So, cafe, coffee and beer. So once you actually pass through immigration, there is not a big choice of food. So if you're hungry when you get to the airport, I would go upstairs and get that food before you go through immigration. Alright, if I see any more, I will post up some video of the other food options. Alright, another quick food place. Yoshinoya is a famous Japanese beef bowl. So you find these all over Japan. So it looks like they've got a good selection of food here, not just the typical Yoshinoya beef bowls. And that's very close to my terminal, my gate 85. Another souvenir shop. And there's another coffee shop, Dean and DeLuca. So there are a few food places past immigration, but as I said, the best selections are before immigration, so I would grab something to eat before coming through. I'm going to say thank you for watching. That's just a quick video of the food at Narita Airport. So thanks for watching. Happy eating, everyone.